Good afternoon, everybody. Today was a pretty wild day in the markets. Kind of want to recap some of the trades that were taken today. There was 3 trades altogether, 2 winners, 1 loser. One of the winners was right off the open, which was honestly a little crazy, but was a very profitable trade for myself. Let's kind of walk through the trades real quick and how they went. I usually don't like trading on the open, but it ended up working out very well. We'll start at around 7 a.m. here. We go back to the left here on our larger range chart. We have this base to that breakout to the upside, breaking structure higher, as well as a medium time frame, and then of course our kind of smaller time frame as well too, right there. If we do go on the 12 range chart, again, these zones aren't drawn out as correctly as we want them to be, just because we were deleting and going through, but we oopsies there. We ended up having our zone here. We ended up touching into this zone and actually having the delta divergence. Additionally, too, again, we were creating some smaller swings here, and once we kind of, broke these 2 here, I had a good indication that there was potential for it to test higher, so we got long, and we actually had our runner hit 10 points. Again, we take 2.5 off, and then break even. Stop loss move to break even. Next trade I took was a loss, unfortunately, but it was, I think it was a great trade to take, but at the same time, I think there was maybe some improvement. Here, very similar, around 9:30 a.m., and our trade was taken around 10 a.m. here. We did have a little bit of a base here and then a breakout higher. If we continue to go over, we're looking at the chart right around here, the base here. Kind of let's draw this part out. Perfect, and that breakout higher, and then on our 10 range chart, base and breakout higher. So when price came back here specifically, oh gosh, I hate when my chart moves around like this. When the price came back there specifically, right here, we ended up forming our delta divergence here as well too on the trades for our entry. But I think where we lacked on was possibly the break of structure. One thing I like to look for is possibly multiple down candles in a row breaking structure, which we kind of had here. So inherently, I don't think it was really that bad of a trade, but we ended up losing 4 points on that trade, so a little bit larger than what I would initially like to be losing on trades. So that was kind of tough. Our last one though was a short entry on the day, and the nice thing is that I used the funded accounts, so I flipped through multiple accounts as well too, and it helps with kind of rotating accounts and rotating trades throughout the day. It was actually a short entry, very similar to basically right here. Oh, my bad. Right around here. It's kind of the same formula as, sorry guys. Basing out here, break down right here as well too. Again, I'm really liking the delta divergence format of things. Again, that delta divergence was formed. Oh wait, I might be at the wrong spot, sorry, my bad. Right here, delta divergence was formed here. Again, we ended up breaking structure, take the trade, ended up getting our 2.5 points, but did not get our runner at all. So, a little bit unfortunate with the no runner, but overall, good trading day. Alright, see you guys.